Hey there, waving hand. If you're fascinated by the charm of tiny cars and love watching forgotten, dusty models come back to life, you're in the right place. I'm just a passionate model car restorer, and on this channel one tiny detail at a time. We find vintage, broken, and cars. Disassemble them, every inch repainted. The magic of transformation, or just want to escape the daily chaos for a few peaceful minutes, then hit that subscribe button. Every week, I'll bring you a new tiny legend with a funny story to tell. They're tiny time capsules from the past. Hey there, waving hand. If you're fascinated by the charm of tiny cars and love watching forgotten, dusty models come back to life. Beautiful things come from the smallest places, just like these cars. Light bulb, I'll share tools.